In my hometown, Kampala in Uganda, markets are bustling, joyous places. Last summer, I was walking through a market downtown with my friend Evelyn when we found a large group of people, but they were gathered around a police truck. Usually when you find that, it means something bad has happened. I was scared to look, so I asked Evelyn if we could pass on the other side of the street. But as we passed, Evelyn insists and she looks back. Then she tells me that she had seen someone's body in the back of the police truck. The other group of people, they were searching for more bodies. This was after a heavy downpour in my country. This is a story from my hometown, but the same story is happening every day across Uganda, across Africa, and other parts of the global south. It comes in the form of drought, flooding, landslides, heat waves, and storms, and causes suffering, starvation, and death. This is the loss and damage caused by the climate crisis. Africa is responsible for less than 4% of global emissions. The G7 countries, on the other hand, are responsible for almost 60% of historical emissions. But African countries are facing the most brutal consequences, and they often don't have the resources or the money to recover from these disasters. The countries that do have the resources to pay for the climate crisis are the ones who have largely caused this mess. In 2012, rich countries agreed to start negotiating financial support for climate loss and damage in the global south, but every year since, they have delayed and denied. This November, world leaders will convene again at COP27 in Egypt to discuss how to respond to the climate crisis. On top of their agenda should be an agreement in writing for a facility to provide financial support to the countries already losing so much. We know who caused this crisis. Now they need to pay for it.